This little lightning show going on, y'all. Wow. How cool is that? Oh my goodness. Lightning and no rain. And people got the nerve to question God. Like, really? Seriously. This has been going on for like an hour straight. I was just looking at it at first, then I just thought about recording it. Wow. Like, oh my goodness, this is so super cool. Super cool, supernatural. There was bats out here flying around too. I think the lightning scared them away. Wow. Wow. It is not stopping. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. This is like so super cool.